Galaxy-like, starry ceilings, cosmic vibes, the Nebu Orb Projector promises all that and more at a surprisingly low price. But the big question is it a legit product that delivers cool visuals, or is it just another overhyped gadget that doesn't live up to its claims? Let's find out. According to its product page and marketing, the Nebu Orb Projector can project swirling nebulae and star patterns across your ceiling, offer multicolor dynamic lighting effects, sync with music or sounds, and be used as a nightlight, mood booster, or party atmosphere maker. It looks dazzling in promo photos, especially if you're into dreamy lighting effects, but shiny marketing doesn't always match reality. Here's what people like: easy setup, plug in and go. Pretty effects in dark rooms, great mood lighting for bedrooms, gaming setup, or relaxation. However, here are some common complaints. Some say the real effect is less vivid than advertised, colors can look washed out or uneven, some units have limited control options or confusing remotes, and a few users reported dimmer light than expected in large rooms. So the consensus? The Nebu Orb often does light up your ceiling, but not always like the promo shows. Here's where we separate legitimate products from overhyped gadgets. Yes, Nebu Orb is a real product you can buy and use. It does produce light patterns and brings ambiance. You're not being sold an imaginary device, but real doesn't mean awesome. Many users compare the actual effort to cheap LED strips or other affordable projectors. It's pleasant, but not as intense or cinematic as the flashy ad suggests. It's kind of like buying a cool smart light bulb. It works, but it's only as good as its tech limitations. So the Nebu Orb Projector might be for you if you like casual mood lighting in bedrooms or dorms, ambient lighting for gaming streams or setups, a soft night light for kids or chill evenings, and easy party lighting without heavy installation. You may not like it if you're expecting true planetarium style projection, if you want super bright visuals in big rooms, and anyone needing professional lighting effects. So is the Nebu Orb Projector real or fake? It is a real product, but does it match every claim? Not always. Is it worth your money? That depends on what you're after. For ambience and mood lighting, it's a fun buy. For true immersive projection, it's just okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.